Good night everyone. We are from PBL Pesantren Kita. We are excited to present our end of semester final report for our project-based learning project entitled Pesantren Kita. And next, from prototype to production, Pesantren Kita is live. What problem are we solving? Solve the problem of information asymmetry and administration efficient by providing and centralized digital platform for transparent communication and streamlined student management. Status development self-hosting. User adoption and real data who's is using our app and how. User count register to user count active to relate fitur absensi notulensi kebagaian manajemen biodata dan kompetensi. Profile name Dewi Rostanti, Pesantren Al-Amal, profession administrator and educator. Santri count feedback manajemen pegawai perlu dikembangkan lebih advance. And next, tech and innovation architect in production.
Okay, next, tech stack and innovation, emerging technologies applied not just explore. The first is infrastructure and OS, containerization or orchestration, edge and network layer, routing and security for application layer, persistent layer, and last, third-party integration, NCI or CD. Next, applied research and literature review. Name Muhammad Sandi Ihsan with title Vulnerability Analysis and Implementation of Security Controls on the Islamic Boarding School Information System website based on the DRAID method. Name Angel Nababan with title Design and Development of a Mobile Application for Sharing Information and Software Development with User Interaction Feature using Flutter. Name Faiza Enna Rahab with title Development of an Adaptive Learning Application based on Flutter with a gamification approach for elementary school students. Names Arya Agung Setiawan with title Implementation of Reverse Engineering Management and Neural Loading to Improve Pesantren Kita Performance. Next. Entrepreneurship and branding, from business model to market interaction, customer segment and channel, reality, relying on direct selling or cold pitching to Islamic boarding school, face major obstacle in the form of building on trust. Strategy update, change the channel approach by offering a risk-free free adoption plan or core features free forever as a strategy to celebrate the creation of the first pilot project or showcase. The first is one problem, customer segment, Uniflow Pro solution, key metric, channels, cost construct, revenue streams, and last unfair advantage.
The marketing and user acquisition initiating 0 to 1 traction. Marketing and user acquisition, word of mouth, primary channel, direct pitching, visitor 0, user register 2, user active 2, subscription user 0. Current strategy, premium penetration strategy. This involves offering core administrative feature entirely free of charge and without time limit to eliminate financial barrier and alleviate concern regarding hidden costs among pesantren. Phase 1, focus on first win, secure at least one nearby pesantren. Phase 2, social proof and digital campaign. Phase 3, back-to-back expansion and feature monetization. Lanjut. Entrepreneurship and business traction. Technical progress, evaluation, and challenge. What broke in production and how we fix it. Technical debt and association risk. Technical debt 1, UPS. To address this risk, an automated offsite backup system using our clone has been implemented. Security and privacy consideration. The infrastructure implement multi-layered security standard to protect data privacy of prospective user. Data encryption. All user credential and password are secure using the robust bicrypt encryption algorithm built into the Laravel framework. Comparison mid-semester plan versus end of semester reality. Strategic pivot due to team budget constraint and market response. The technical approach shift to a self-host server architecture to minimize operational costs. Lanjut, technical progress, evaluation and challenge, team performance and retrospective. Muhammad Sandi Ihsan, developing strategies for vision, fundraising and strategic partnership with Islamic boarding school. Managing the product development life cycle, designing, managing technical infrastructure, managing visual communication and brand narrative. Arya Agung Setiawan complete all the main modules for the pesantren of the pesantren kita system using Laravel and MySQL. Functionality testing was conducted truly using black box testing, bug fix, Angel Maban manage cash flow, prepare strategic financial projection, compile post-mortem report and document strategic, manage content archive and monitor social media analytic to support data transparency. Faiza Irna, marketing funnel monitoring and evaluation, content and brand storytelling, strategic partnership and ecosystem building, growth strategy and revenue contribution. Next.
Conclusion and what we learn, what we build, what we learn, and what next. This is a resume of our current achievement. The live application, the Islamic boarding school management system has been successfully deployed to a production environment using a self-host server architecture based on Ubuntu and Docker. User count currently has 0 active user. So the key operational feature is integrated student data management, automated employee attendance and summary system, sanction record module, digitalization and transparency of financial reporting, integrated OTP delivery system using Brevo SMTP. So what is the we learn is we got 3 key takeaways. First thing is infrastructure does not have to be expensive, and market need differ from theory. Then the importance of really automation. As you can see, there are QR code you can scan to hyperlink to our product. So on a short term is roadmap 1 to 3 months is book closing schedule customization, financial page icon customization, advanced financial page view, human resource module, and subjects features. On a long-term roadmap is feature development or engagement, guardian or parent notification system. And next is conversation and growth strategy. Try before you buy business model, implementing a freemium scheme or with full trial method on a period barrier or to subscription to lower Pondok Pesantren. Aggressive marketing is digital marketing, targeting social media campaign, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, aim to an educational institution leader, direct sales door-to-door, reaching directly to pesantren Islamic boarding school or the other school to build trust and foster to understanding the product is. Okay, that's all from us. As you can see, there is documentation what we visit into Pondok Pesantren or Islamic boarding school at Batam. Okay, thank you. That's all for us. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.